Good day, everyone. I am Antoinette L. Matuco, your guest speaker for this virtual conference. And now, we will gonna talk about one of the best and effective teaching strategy. But before I will go to my topic formally, I will present a picture first. So, this picture will serve as your motivation to continue watching this video. So, here is a picture. By seeing this picture, what information did you gather from this? Yes, this picture is all about a child hunger because as what we observe, there are children who don't have enough foods, they don't have safe and healthy foods because of poverty. So this picture is very meaningful and it is in the real life situation. So the purpose why I presented this picture to you because the lesson that I will going to discuss now is a type of teaching strategy and it is called picture prompt. This lesson has 4 objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students are able to A. Define the concept and function of picture prompt. B. Identify the advantages and disadvantages of picture prompt. C. Discuss the importance and effectiveness of picture prompt in teaching social studies. D. Integrate the picture prompt strategy in different disciplines in real-world contexts. So, what is picture prompt? It is an activity to enable learners to find out information regarding an image. The learners are given an image related to the current topic or subject with no explanations. The learners must identify what the image is and explain it. So, picture prompt is a teaching strategy wherein the instructors will give an image or will show an image to his students. It is an image that are related to the lesson and then by showing that image, the students will analyze and explain it. So, for example, just like what I have presented earlier, when I present a picture of children who don't have enough foods, then there are information that comes into our mind. So that is the picture prompt. And next, prompt is a type of help that allows them to respond correctly. Yes, because picture prompt, the word prompt, it means quickly. So by seeing a picture, we respond quickly and also we respond correctly. So next, let's talk about what are the advantages and disadvantages of picture prompt. So, let's start with the disadvantages of picture prompt. First bullet, difficult to collate appropriate clear images. Yes, because there are instructors na yung ma-provide nila na image is hindi clear. And if that cases, the students will be struggling to analyze or to interpret the image kasi nga hindi clear. Second disadvantages is time consuming to set up. Yes, because we are all know if we are setting pictures, it would be takes time. It takes too much time kasi ididikit pa yung mga pictures and all. So, now, let's go on to the positive or the advantages of picture prompt. So, first, it supports active learning. Yes, it is true. Picture prompt supports active learning wherein the students can be actively engaged in the process of learning. Kasi nga, if there is a pictures, the students is na-enjoy nila makinig, na-excite sila sa discussion. Second bullet of advantages of picture prompt is visual stimulating because as I said earlier, if there is a picture, nagiging catchy sa paningin ng mga students. They enjoy the discussion, nakikinig sila ng maayos, and that. Last advantages is it supports memory recall because if the teacher show pictures to the students, that pictures is nagsistay na lang yun sa mind ng mga students and that picture can be used in the future. Kasi alam na nila yung ano yung picture na yon and if somehow magamit nila yun sa future nila is may idea na sila sa picture na yon and that it's memory recall. And now let's go on to the what are the importance and effectiveness of picture prompt strategy in teaching social studies. We have it help learners to participate, connect, and add excitement to the class. Yes, because picture prompt strategy help learners to be actively engaged in the process of learning. Kasi just like what I have said na if there is a picture, na-excite at na-enjoy ng students ang process ng kanilang learning. So, second bullet, we have, it is easy for the teachers to deliver her lesson. Yes, because picture prompt makes the teaching effective and it is easy for the teachers to explain his lesson kasi nga with the help of pictures. And third bullet, it can be included at any point in a session to refocus learners. Yes, it can be used before the lesson or during the lesson, and it can also be used after when we will conduct an activity. So it is after the discussion. Next is, lastly, picture prompt can be individual, pair, or group activity. And now, the question is, how can we integrate picture prompt strategy in different disciplines in real-life context? The answer is by simply showing the picture about different disciplines in social studies, the students can create ideas on their minds in connection to what they have experienced in the real world. I have an example here for us to have a deeper understanding. So I will present a picture. This is 4 pictures. So let's start with first picture in geography. So, in geography, we can see a globe, and if we saw a globe, what ideas that comes into our mind? So, basically, it is places or it is different countries and different regions where different people live in. So, by looking at this picture, it is easy for us to understand and to connect this because it is connected already in the real life situation or in the real life world. Second picture is politics. If we saw this picture, what comes into our mind? So it is about a government wherein, as what we observe in the picture, there is a government officials who had a meeting in the Malacanang. So by showing this picture like this, it is easy for the learners to understand because it is related. The picture or the picture of politics and government is related to the real life situation. Third picture is we have economics. So in economics, we observe in the picture obviously agriculture. So we also observe money. So it means there is money in agriculture. There is money if we plant a tree. So by looking at this picture, we can create an information, and as students, the students could create an information. They can easily create ideas and information because the picture is pertaining to real life scenarios. And now, let's go on to our last picture. Our last picture is in philosophy. And by looking at this picture, what ideas or what comes into your mind? Yes, as what we observe in the picture, there is a pagmamano. We can see a pagmamano. It is a kind of respect to our elders. So, by looking at this picture, it is easy for us, it is easy for the learners to understand because we have experienced this pagmamano in our real life situation. Right? Yes, and all in all, through this picture prompt strategy, it is easy for the learners to understand and to connect the different disciplines in social studies into the real world context. So, in the next slide, I've ready a activity, and here is my references, and that's all. Thank you for listening. God bless.